Hi everyone, why go to Brasilia, Brazil? Locations in Brazil in Federal District State, surrounded by Goiás State. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. There are three tourist attractions. The three tourist attractions: Cathedral Metropolitana, Nossa Senhora Aparecida, Memorial JK, and Parque Nacional de Brasilia. Cathedral Metropolitana, Nossa Senhora Aparecida. Designed in 1970, modern Roman Catholic Church has standard glass and sculptures. Memorial JKs resumed with exhibits. It's about Brazilian President Juscelino Kubitschek. Parque Nacional do Brasilia is a national park, has indigenous plant and bird species, and has a national swimming area. Uh, Three traditional dinner: feijoada, when Cusa churrasco. Feijoada is black bean stew with various meats, served with rice, orange slices, toasted banana flavors, and collard greens. Feijoada is Brazil's national dish. Mancusa is seafood stew made with fish, shrimp, coconut milk, and vegetables. Churrasco is Brazil barbecue, grilled meats such as slice of beef cooked over an open flame. Three traditional sweets are brigadeiro, beijinho, quijem. Brigadeiro is chocolate fudge balls made with condensed milk, cocoa powder, butter, and chocolate sprinkles. Beijinho is coconut flavored balls made with condensed milk, butter, and coconut rolled into balls and coated in coconut flakes. Quijem is baked dessert made with egg yolks, sugar, and coconut. Yellow color with custard texture. Three traditional drinks are caipirinha, cachaça, guarana. Caipirinha is a popular cocktail in Brazil made with cachaça. Caipirinha is made with lime, sugar, and ice. Cachaça is distilled spirit made from sugar cane, is Brazil national's liquor. Guarana is made from guarana fruit. Culture influenced cuisine in Brasilia: indigenous, European, mainly Portuguese, and African. Culture influenced music and dance: European, United States of America, African, and indigenous. Three styles of traditional folklore music: samba, forró, bossa nova. Samba uses instruments such as tambourines, flute, bells, shaker, cavaquinho. Its rhythm music uses instruments such as drums, hand drum, guitar. The voice is loud, enthusiastic, and can sing with instruments. It's used in events such as Brazilian Carnival. Forró is rhythm music use a accordion triangle and Zumba drum. It's associated with rural life used in social dancing. Bossa Nova's rhythm music, jazz influence, use instruments such as guitar, drums, percussion. The voice is loud, enthusiastic, singing with instruments used in intimate and romantic events. Three styles of traditional dances: samba, forró, capoeira. Three types of samba: samba grafria, samba no pay. Samba is to move your feet, move your waist. It's the most popular Brazilian dance and it dances to the rhythm. Samba de grafria, dancehall samba in English, samba dance with two people. Samba no pay is samba on the feet. In English, is a solo dance. You dance by himself or dance by herself. Forró is fast-paced rhythm, music, and steps. Dance to the music played by accordion and a large drum. Capoeira is martial art dance to music. The currency is Brazil real. $1 is equal to 4.07 Brazil real. Exports from Brasilia Brazil: soybeans, crude petroleum, iron ore, raw sugar, and corn. Natural resources in Brasilia Brazil are iron ore, manganese, and bauxite. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the like button. Please press the subscribe button. Bye.